use Smartsheet Template Sets to quickly start new projects without building everything from scratch. Begin on the Smartsheet homepage and click the plus button to create something new. From the menu, choose Create New Project, then select View All Templates to open the template gallery. Browse through the available templates and choose one that matches your needs. You can find templates for project management, task tracking, event planning, team collaboration, and much more. For this example, we'll use a simple to-do list template. Click the template and select Create. Smartsheet will generate a new sheet with pre-built columns, sample tasks, and formatting already in place. Once the template opens, customize it to fit your project. You can rename columns, add new fields such as priority or assign to, update statuses, and replace the sample data with your own information. The biggest advantage of template sets is that they provide a ready-made structure, helping you get organized faster while following proven project layouts. After making your changes, save your sheet and start working with your customized template. That's how to use Smartsheet Template Sets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.